Strange facts you never knew.
This is why the genius scientist Nikola Tesla is so obsessed with the number 369. He once said if you could understand the magic of the number 369, you would decipher the universe. To understand this, we need to know that humans did not invent math, but we discover it, because it's the operating law of the universe and the language of the universe. Here's what was discovered. When you double 1, you get 2. Double 2 equals 4. Double 4 equals 8. Double 8 equals 16. The sum of 16 is 7. Double of 7 equals 14. The sum of 14 is 5. Double of 5 is 10. 10 in total, we're back to number 1. And this pattern repeats endlessly without the appearance of the number 369. Interestingly, when you double 3, you get 6. And when you get double 6, you get 12. The sum of 12 is 3. The two numbers are mutually reinforcing. Only 9 is the highest independent number. If 3 and 6 are yin and yang, then 9 is the higher entity, rule the whole universe. Tells us say that these three numbers in the higher dimension are governing the three-dimensional world we live in.